here. I am Gabby Bad Curly. Welcome back to my channel. I make curly content and I also do skincare content as well. So follow me. Let's become friends. So my hair is maybe 30% wet. So this is what it looks like. The cream. It's kind of on the runny side. The product that we're using is it's Flawless by Gabrielle Union, and it is the Defining Curl Cream. And then once I get towards the end, this is optional, but I'm going to use a perm rod on my end. Braid and curl. I'm going to apply the Restoring Exotic Oil Treatment to my hands while I unravel these braids. Come on. That's pretty good. Look at that. Okay, I'm done with this side. It looks pretty defined. It looks really beautiful. I don't have any flakes. They dry. So yeah, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep rocking, y'all. I'm only really separating like the big chunks. So I'm really just separating my root and separating a little bit here and there. But this is bomb. And I feel like it's gonna last. And if you do encounter a little frizz, if you over separate, I will, like this one, roll it back. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. I think this was a successful braid out. Like, it's shiny, it's hydrated, it doesn't feel stiff, but it has hold. The Defining Curl Cream Flawless by Gabrielle Union, I think it did its job. It did everything it said it was going to do. The smell wasn't really a smell. It's very light, very natural. I think this is perfect for anyone who's looking for something that will hydrate the hair without weighing it down. This is a very good cream where it's like a good balance between both. If you have high porosity or low. The Restoring Exotic Oil Treatment, I absolutely love by Flawless by Gabrielle Union. Apple oil and more is for softening and adding shine and preventing frizz. Yeah, I would definitely use this to unravel your twist or curls just to give it a little softness, boost it up, and that's it. So I feel like it really did good with my hair. I think it'll work for anyone who has coily to wavy hair. So I would recommend the Flawless by Gabrielle Union line. I think it's awesome. You can get yours at Sally's. Amazon, I think. Yeah, Amazon out. She has more from these line. I will definitely try more. So yes, you guys, I am done with this braid out. Make sure you guys check the description box. I leave all the links down below. And follow me on Instagram at Gabby Bad Curly. And I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye.